注意，氣袋無需充氣，亦能供應氧氣。
Attend to yourself before helping children or others. Please note that oxygen will flow even if the bag has not inflated. A life jacket is stowed under the seat or in the armrest.
救生衣係放喺各位嘅座椅下或扶手內，上面附有哨子同燈。使用時，先將救生衣套喺頸上，然後將腰帶固定於腰間。
Place the life jacket over your head. Secure the tapes firmly around your waist.
離開機艙前，用力拉下紅色手掣，或者用充氣管將救生衣充氣。
Inflate your life jacket when leaving the aircraft by pulling the red toggle firmly down or by blowing into the tube to attract attention. There's a whistle and a light. Infant life jackets and flotation cots are also carried on board.
機上亦配備嬰兒救生衣同浮水嬰兒床。
In an emergency or when you hear brace, brace, adopt the brace position, which is shown in the safety instruction card.
喺緊急情況或者聽見 brace brace， 請根據安全指示卡做出保護自己嘅姿勢。
Escape path lighting is located along the aisles. The lights will be on in an emergency. Exits are equipped with slides to assist in evacuation. Our cabin crew are pointing out your nearest exit now.
機艙內設有緊急逃生路線照明系統，並且有標誌清楚顯示逃生出口。緊急出口設有逃生滑梯，機艙服務員正為你指示最近嘅逃生出口位置。
This is a non-smoking flight. There are smoke detectors with alarms in every toilet. Smoking in the cabin and toilet is forbidden under Hong Kong law. Offenders are liable to a fine and imprisonment.
本班係非吸煙航班，每個洗手間都設有煙霧感應器同警報系統。根據香港法例，喺機艙或洗手間內吸煙均屬違法，違例者會被罰款及監禁。
We will soon be taking off. Please ensure that your hand baggage and tables are safely stowed. Seat backs are in the takeoff position and your seat belt is fastened.
我哋即將起飛，請各位將手提行李同埋接台妥為收好，將椅背調校至起飛時應有嘅位置，並扣好安全帶。
Please read the safety card in the seat pocket. If you have any questions, please ask a member of our cabin crew.
每個椅袋內都有一張安全指示卡，以供乘客參考。如有任何疑問，請向機艙服務員查詢。
多謝各位乘客留意，謹祝閣下有一個愉快嘅旅程。
Thank you for your attention. We hope you will enjoy your flight with us.
Cabin crew, please proceed for takeoff.